Today we're going to install a Homeflex CSST fitting. The first thing we did was get a nice clean cut on our tubing. Next, I'm cutting through the second corrugation on the tubing. So we'll just go through that jacket in the second corrugation. Next, I'm going to apply some grip pipe dope to the male pipe threads. Now, I always use grip pipe dope because it's the best pipe dope that I've ever used. And we'll put that into our black iron tee. Now, I usually leave the top nut on while I'm doing this, just to try and prevent accidental damage to the threads on the fitting. Next, we'll go ahead and tighten that fitting into the black iron tee. Now this is 1/2 inch Homeflex CSST. And this is probably the most common fitting that you're going to use when installing this kind of CSST. I usually purchase this at Home Depot. That's the grip pipe dope that I always use. We'll slide our nut onto the tubing, our ring onto the first corrugation. I'll use some channel locks and squeeze that ring onto the pipe. And then we can go ahead and tighten that down. This is a very simple method to install gas lines. Next, I'll tighten the nut on, and that will complete our fitting. Now, I have an old line that I'll show you what actually happens in there when we tighten this fitting on, how that creates the seal in the pipe. And I like to tighten these on to the point where it almost wants to grab the pipe and twist it. I'm using my channel lock adjustable pressure wrench here, which these are very nice. You get a very large opening with the channel lock. Okay, so there it is. There's our fitting installed. And we created our seal, and this is what it looks like inside of there. You can see the bevel that creates. And that's what makes your seal. And there is one other thing we have to do. Going to have to check for leaks. Turn the gas on. And we will use our big blue leak detector and check for leaks.